I'm on 10 with my woadies. Shout out my homies, we gon' ball for them trophies. Like they can't hold me, thinking God, I've been chosen. Go through the motions, all them times I was hopeless. Now we the coldest. I'm on 10 with my woadies. Shout out my homies, we gon' ball for them trophies. Like they can't hold me, thinking God, I've been chosen. Go through the motions, all them times I was hopeless. Now we the coldest. Look, I've been trying.
What's up with the bros, and welcome back to the channel. Today's topic of interest that I am really interested about is that we have had a couple of complaints on the channel about audio. So a common comment that we get on most of our content, especially with the Outback videos more so than the other ones, is that it's kind of hard to hear us. So with that in mind, we purchased a media mod. Today we've only got one in stock with us because we're going to be testing it out, putting GoPro side by side on maybe the 250 because the 250 has that bar. We'll see how that goes. I don't really know how we're going to be testing it exactly yet, but that's the beauty of how content goes, is you can make mistakes as you go, edit it out, and then continue your day. So anyway, we're going to be pairing the media mod with the Purple Panda mic. So hopefully we can get as much good quality as possible, and this will also give up a couple of new avenues to be able to do some stuff with audio selections in the editing software DaVinci Resolve. So if you're also interested in some tutorials on how to do audio stuff in DaVinci, then be sure to let me know in the comment section down below, and we'll try and figure that out as best as possible. But anyway, before we get into that, we're going to pray for today's video, and then we'll go straight into the unboxing. So without further ado, let's pray. Father God, thank you so much again for blessing us with the opportunity to wake up this morning, and I thank you for giving us the ability to be able to buy these things, and I pray that you continue to bless our channel, because without you we can't do any of this. And I pray that you continue to bless everyone who's watching, keep everyone safe, and also a special blessing to the Quad Nation family at the moment. I remember a couple videos back that they were going through some tough times, so I pray that you be with them. That just will lay it on my heart. I pray that you bless them and everything that they're doing. I believe it was his uncle, and I pray that you continue to bless everyone else, keep everyone safe through these tough times, tough and confusing times, and I pray that you keep our nation safe. In your holy and precious name I pray, amen. Sorry, I just came in and like ADD, in, out. Anyway, we'll see you when we unbox. Alright, welcome back. This is our media mod. This is our Purple Panda mic. I'm going to be completely destroying this because it's the second take, because the first one was very confusing. So, this is glued shut, like really, really glued. So I'm going to peel this without trying to rip the box, because I actually would like to preserve something of the stuff that is in there. But, you know, obviously, so after this terrible incident, we now have the media mod. And looks like instructions. Instructions. Got you. This is no longer needed. Ah, there's a guide. I don't read those either. Because guides are suggestions. This is, oh, lifetime warranty. I'm gonna hang on to that. That's important. So this is the puffy thing that goes on this. That's the microphone portion. And then it looks like you just pull this open here, like so, and then it pops open like that. Oh, that's nice. It gives you the button. And then you just plug it up like normal. Where's the audio ports? The audio ports are on the back. That's nice. So it's got, oh, this is compatible with the Hero 3? No freaking way, dude. That's insane. All right, that's what it looks like. This, they give you an extra mount with it, which is awesome. Why is it extended? Oh, what? That's weird. You know, you'd think since they gave you an extended like mount that you'd have to be worried about this having to be extended, but it just plays off of the other mounts. And I believe that's everything in here, because they always put stuff at surface value. So yeah, that's also done, but I will not throw that one. So let's take a look at this. So I do believe that this goes like that, and I will confirm my suspicions by looking at the stuff I don't look at, because so you just like slide it on. Why does it look so much more difficult than it needs to be? Jeez. Yeah, you just slide it on. Why did that? It looks so much more difficult than it needed to be. All right, well, we bought this one specifically for the Hero 10 and the Hero 9, so we're gonna change cameras in just a second. All right, so now we have the Hero 9. So this was really concerning for a person who owns GoPros, but basically this hinge, if you take it off like normal, you can essentially just add a little bit of pressure and it pops off. Now, normally, that's really scary, especially for me who has destroyed a GoPro before by accident. Anyway, enough of that. So it looks like you just slide it on like this, and it plugs in because there's a little audio port right there in the back, and then you just close this over it and make sure it hooks like the normal one. So it's literally just an outside casing of the original. So this is what it looks like, the finished product with the media mod on the outside. And then, yeah, so I'm gonna set this over here and we're going to unbox the Purple Panda. This one's a little bit easier. You just peel open the tab in the back and then you just take it out. Oh, it comes with its own little thing. That's gonna be awesome. Is this a sticker? No, it's a thank you. Oh, talking about advertising, which is something that we will be doing. Very much appreciated. Coupons, email address, if you have any complications or issues. I don't really need to read this because microphones are pretty simple to understand. You plug it into the thing that you're using it for and ta-da, it works. Just kidding, it's a little bit more detailed than that. But you understand what I'm getting at. So this one specifically we bought off Amazon, and it comes with they're Velcroed together. So it comes with 2 mics, if I can get them untangled. This is the first one, this is the extension adapter. This is the second one, this one's the extension adapter. This one is a dongle in case you're going from like a USB kind of thing, I suppose, because the USB for these is also the same charging port. There's also a dual one that you can use for 2 microphones, which will come in handy. It's got this little shag rug looking like thing, which is the cover for the microphones in case you're going to be using some more like high depth stuff, or like whenever you're in a windy environment. It's supposed to be like wing covers. And then there's replacement mounts, like clips. So I'm going to be putting the replacement stuff and the extra stuff in here, including the extension and also the second microphone. And then now we're gonna take the media mod, the other 9, and we're gonna be putting these things to the test. And also this would be a good opportunity for us to test camera settings as well. I'll get more into detail about those camera settings in just a bit whenever we have all this stuff ready to go and they're compatible with each other and I have everything figured out. If there's any other steps or anything like that that I need to bring you guys back for, I will do so, but it's literally just as simple as taking this, peeling back the cover, and plugging it into the media mod like so. And if there's any issues with the Dango design, since we run the Dango, we'll also be adding those details in there as well, just in case there's any like comments or concerns that you guys might have if you're trying this at home. So yeah, without further ado, we're gonna get all the other stuff that we need to do this, and then we'll get one of the bikes and we'll head out in just a bit. So we'll see you guys in just a minute. Welcome back. We're here over at the other property to take a look at being able to stretch this out a little bit. But there's a little bit of trash here and there, so I'm gonna have to take it slow through this bit. And I think I just got done talking with the property owner, and I think I'm gonna try and empty out that bucket and clean this up for him, just because he's a super nice dude. But yeah, I wanted to test out the GoPro media mod and see how the Purple Panda mic works along with this. I've got it mic'd up right in front of my face, so hopefully you can hear me clearly and I don't have to like yell to overpower the machine. But yeah, I'm gonna crank it up just a little bit and get some speed going through this bit right here, just to see if you can still hear me while I'm riding. So let's start that now. Not not really trying to tear up this guy's property, now that I know who it is, at least. This is the bit where I gotta take it slow because there's a little bit of trash through here. And then the roots, and this hill, and then the trash. Oh, that went right in my face. Alright, well, that really hurt. Alright, now I'm gonna get the RPMs up and running over here. Just sliding her around a little bit. You know, same old, what we normally do. Alright, I think that should be enough to check the stuff and things here. I'm gonna switch over to the normal GoPro so that way I can see what it looks like, or so that way I can do a comparison. So now that we have this bit done, we're gonna go straight into the next bit, and I'm gonna do the same thing, just down and around, 3 donuts, and then we're gonna head home so that way we can get out of this guy's hair. But I'm gonna try and clean up that stuff off camera just to help him out a little bit. But yeah, let's see what it looks like. Right, so now we are repping the Hero9 without the media mod and without the purple panda mic. So let me come through here and then pick it up again. But like, we're not here to abuse the property. We're here to have fun. And we thought we had permission before, but you know, now we definitely have permission, which is awesome. What the, yeah, like, looks like someone took their suitcases and crap and just like dumped it everywhere. So remember, your property or not, treat it as if you own it. Respect everybody and respect other people as well. Alright, well, that's pretty much all I've got for today's video. I just wanted to make a quick little trip over to that open bit where I could ride the Raptor a little bit faster than I can back here in the backyard. Again, if you can tell the difference between the sound quality, if it sounds better, please be sure to let us know. If you think what we're doing with how we've got it is your favorite option, let us know that too. And also remember to always be good stewards of not only your property, but other people's property, because you never know when you're gonna meet them or what's gonna happen whenever you meet them. Big thank you to the gentleman who gave us permission to ride that property. We had an idea of whose it was, but we were wrong, and he explained it and helped us out, and now we have permission to ride over there, and I really appreciate him. So we're gonna go over there sometime in the near future with some trucks and some equipment to pick up some stuff, just so we can haul it off so he doesn't have to worry about it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. If you guys did like the content, please be sure to like the video. And if you guys like the content in general, or if you like the idea of what we're doing, or if you like the concept or whatever, if you like anything and you want to stick around for future videos, hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell to stay up to date for future videos. Also, if you didn't like the content, please be sure to let us know on ways that we can make things better. And that's pretty much it for today's video. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video, where we're probably going to be riding the bike to test out the max lens mod, because I mean, I've seen a bunch of people ride bikes with the max lens mod and it looks really good, so hopefully it'll turn out. But unfortunately, with my plumpest body, I don't think it'll be a nice ride for me. But anyway, we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Have a good rest of your day. I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace.
Now we the coldest, yeah, I'm on 10 with my woadies. Shout out my homies, we gon' part for them trophies. Like they can't hold me, thinking God, I've been chosen. Go through the motions all them times, I was hopeless. Now we the coldest.
Look, I've been trying to tell y'all since like 1-3. Got my soul up in the trunk, get my car, got the key. Spirit trying to talk.